Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. So welcome back to another video about Holochain, and this is the urgent update about Holochain holders. My friends, never miss any second of this video. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, Holochain is now in the pumping mode, and absolutely I also recommend for everybody, due to these positive changes, that invest now more and more in the Holochain. Hope they will give you a huge amount of profit if you hold for long term. My friends, remember that any coin you are holding and for long term, so I'm sure that they give you profit, not loss, if you are holding for a long term. Anyways, let's start the video about Holochain. But before starting this video, friends, if you are new in my channel, please click the subscribe button now and also like this video. My friends, the current price of the Holochain, the last 2 hours update is the last 2 hour price changes occur in the Holochain price is positive 0.96%. Positive 0.96% the price of the Holochain pump. Just in the 120 minutes, the price pumping. From the price chart, everybody can understand that Holochain is a profitable coin. If these kind of pumps continue in the Holochain, so Holochain will make you millionaire. No doubt, my friends, no doubt that they will make you millionaire. If these kind of pump continue, every 2 hours price is 96%, so that's mean that you are a millionaire. Anyways, no doubt in this that if you're a long-term investor of the Holochain, if you're a long-term holders of the Holochain, so I'm sure that at the last they give you a huge amount profit. Now the highest price of the Holochain in the market is 0.006264 USD dollar. That is the highest price. In 0.006259, that is the currently price of the Holochain. That is the currently latest price of the Holochain. Absolutely, Holochain is now in the pumping mood, and I'm sure about that Holochain will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. So my friends, never decide to sell, just hold it, my friends. Hey, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.